Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Diesel fuel gelling has the potential to occur when temperatures drop below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, although the exact temperature it happens at will vary from fuel batch to fuel batch. How do you prevent your diesel fuel from gelling? The 15th of January 2014.
Take our lead.
Diesel fuel properties will change in cold weather. As the fuel gets colder, more of the wax drops out of solution, the wax crystals bump into each other and stick together, becoming larger. This process accelerates until enough wax is in the fuel that it will clog fuel filters and shut the engine down. 26 October 2012.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.